This week is for David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, and Chioma Adeleke, popularly known as Chef Chi. They've been dating and just living life together for a long time, and now they are finally sealing the deal and getting married on the 25th of June 2024, which is tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm posting this video on the 24th of June. I'm doing my best to get that video out for you guys. In today's video, we'll be talking mostly about the outfits, the 3 outfits worn by Chioma for her pre-wedding shoot, and we'll just talk a little bit about the outfits worn by Davido for the pre-wedding shoot as well. I'm going to be paying a lot of attention to the fabric, the accessories, the sewing, and the styling of the 3 outfits worn by the 2 individuals. If you'd be interested in knowing all that we have to talk about in this video, please make sure you watch the video all the way through. Subscribe to this channel if you're interested. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section. I love reading from you guys, and it also makes me feel like I'm engaging and just communicating with you guys. I love the banter in the comment section. Don't hesitate to share this video with a friend as well that you think will be interested in watching this type of content. All right, guys, let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay friends, so we'll start off with this black outfit made by Extra Brides Lagos for Chioma. Extra Brides Lagos is a fabulous designer based in Lagos, Nigeria. She makes gorgeous outfits for celebrities and just individuals as well, but most of her celebrity outfits usually trend and break the internet. You know you've blown when Bella Naija posts your work, and she's not someone new to being posted by Bella Naija. Her outfits almost makes it to Bella Naija's feed, and we have people just oohing and eyeing in the comment section. Anyway, to today's topic, we are looking at this dress that she made for Chioma, this black outfit. It looks absolutely phenomenal. And when it comes to the design in general, I was very excited to see that she posted the behind the scene of the fitting before they came up with the final results with Chioma. We have here that Chioma came into her space to fit the dress. From the neckline, we have the illusion net over there. We see how the illusion net was used on the neckline area. We also have corset mesh going on the underbust to the waist area of this outfit. For every single one of these fabrics that I'm talking about on this channel, I have done a video on them showing you what they look like and also explaining what the texture feels like when you go ahead to buy it and what you would typically use those types of fabric for if you ever decide to use them in your sewing and design. Moving on to the embellishments. On the bust area, we have some appliques going on there. We have the appliques just splashing towards the bust area and just creating a very beautiful look on the bust area of this outfit. On the shoulder as well, we have ostrich feather going on there. We have the ostrich feather placed in a very aesthetically pleasing way to mimic the look of a very full shoulder. Creating this type of ostrich feather placement, I have done a video on this in the past on the channel. I'll do my best to link that video on the screen, how to place ostrich feather to create a full look on your outfit. We also have ostrich feathers going on along the sleeve area, especially on the cuff of the outfit. We have some ostrich feather there. Because this outfit is black, you need to look closely to see all of the details on the outfit. We also have this gorgeous lace material used for the full length of the dress. I wonder how much this lace material costs. It looks very luxurious and very beautiful. And we see here that Extra Brides also put some tulle nets along the underbust to the full length of the dress, and everything just looks fabulous. Chioma is here feeling herself and just looking at how the outfit is pulling together nicely. We also got a brief back view of the dress. We see that it's a mermaid dress and it looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm just going to allow you guys also look at the process video here. Everything looks absolutely beautiful and I'm so excited. And we see the end results of the outfit eventually. We have the ostrich feather going on the shoulder as well as the sleeves, and we also have the tulle net on the side just where Extra Brides was tacking the net to, and everything just pulled together nicely, came together nicely. The hair as well, I believe all the hair styling done on Chioma for this pre-wedding shoot was done by Adefunke. Adefunke is also a fabulous hairstylist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is full of a lot of talented creatives, from hairstylists to gele artists to makeup artists to fashion designers. We have a whole lot of them based in Lagos, Nigeria. This is not to say that there are not other talented creatives in other states in Nigeria. I'm just emphasizing on the fact that we have a lot of them, both the upcoming ones and the ones that are relatively known, based in Lagos, Nigeria. We also have David wearing a black outfit as well with this thing going on the neck. I don't know what that thing is, but anyway, it's David. It looks absolutely fabulous. He also wore this cap here, and they both look absolutely phenomenal in this look from their pre-wedding outfit. I believe this outfit on David was made by Ugo Monye. I'm not so sure, but I believe a lot of the outfits that David wore were made by Ugo Monye. Moving on to the next look from this pre-wedding shoot, we are going to be talking about the gold outfit on Chioma. That gold outfit was made by a fashion designer called Jennifer Rowland Official. At least that's her name on Instagram. That outfit has to be my favorite from the 3 looks rocked by Chioma for the purpose of their pre-wedding shoot. This fabric looks very luxurious, and according to the people or the vendors tagged in the comment section of that post, I saw that the fabric was sourced by ONA Fabric. I don't know if it's pronounced as Ono Fabrics or Ona Fabrics, but it's ONA Fabrics. The fabric looks very, very luxurious. It looks very expensive. It looks very classy. And I find that the gold color sits perfectly on Chioma's skin. It looks very beautiful. The gele as well that was tied by Taiwo's Touch, and the gele was sourced by Bonnie B's fabric. This gele is what we call Sego gele. I've talked about Sego gele in some of my old tutorials, especially when I used to make a lot of headband videos. I've done a Sego gele headband in the past. I believe I made that headband in 2021. That's like 3 years ago now. I have a plethora of videos on here on my channel, and I've used different types of fabrics, different types of accessories. I've talked about different types of fabrics, different types of accessories. I've talked about a lot relating to fashion design and embellishment on this channel. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. It's very insightful, very educative, and I get to talk a lot about things relating to these types of videos where we talk about fabrics, accessories, outfits, just a bunch of different things. So please make sure to subscribe. I said all of that to say subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and like this video as well. On the waist area, from the underbust area to the waist area, we have this sequence going on there. It's pretty bold. This type of sequence is pretty bold, and it's pretty different, and it's more expensive than the regular schmegular sequence that I come on here, especially when I'm talking about beading on the channel. Someone that I know sells this type of sequence is Mr. Okoro in Rumomasi. I've talked about him countless times. Rumomasi is a market in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria, where I used to live, and Mr. Okoro was one of my favorite vendors. I even did a video where I went to the shop to show you guys all of the things that he has in stock. Someone else that also sells this type of sequence in Port Harcourt is APPLIQUÉS Trims Tubo. I've seen her post this bold sequence once or twice on her Instagram page. Feel free to walk into your favorite sewing accessories shop to go check out this type of sequence if it's something that you think you want to use in your next fashion project. Anyway, moving on, we see that Chioma rocked very simple jewelry with this outfit. She wore a stud earring, a very simple necklace, and we have some bracelets going on there, and she did not forget to flaunt her engagement ring for all of us to see. They both look very happy and excited. Davido as well is wearing this gorgeous outfit made by Ugo Monye. It has gathered sleeves, and it just looks very different. I'm not very keen when it comes to men's fashion. No shade to men. I love men that look absolutely fabulous. I love these types of, would I call them native? They're not corporate, right? These types of looks on men, I love it. Every time my husband gets to wear like these types of outfits, native outfits, I call them native outfits, because they're not corporate. I always compliment him and tell him how stunning and dapper is just looking. So no shade to men at all. Men's fashion is just not my strong suit, right? I'm here for my girlies, I'm here for my women, because I love looking good as well, and I tend to just talk more and know a lot more when it comes to women's fashion and embellishment and just looks in general. The makeup as well is makeuping. She looks really, really beautiful. The makeup was done by Pamela Morgan. It's my first time of hearing about her as well, and she did a good job on Chioma's face, and the outfit in general just looks absolutely fabulous. And yeah, that's everything I have to say about this second look. Let's move to the last look from this pre-wedding pictures. The last look is this asoke look rocked by David and Chioma. David has this asoke agbada, multicolored agbada, and the embroidery done on the multicolored agbada is in color yellow. The designer of this outfit is called Lucky Enemo. It's my first time hearing about him, and I must say that he did a fabulous job with the outfit on David. David looks absolutely dapper. He also has these 3 layers of beads on his neck. You see that with beading, there's no limits to what you can do. You can use beads as jewelry, you can use them as embellishments, you can use them as different types of things on different types of outfits. Anyway, in this case, we have these 3-layer beads. I don't know who the designer of the beads were, but yeah, David has them on his outfit, and he has this walking stick on there with the gold, is it crests that they call it now? We have the golden handle basically. He has the simple shoes going on, very minimal jewelry as well, just wristwatch and a bunch of hand beads as well, and it looks absolutely fabulous. The photographer for these pre-wedding pictures is Tope Upload. I've known about Tope Upload from way back, right? I think the first person that made me know about him was Anita Browse back in the day. He used to take a lot of pictures of her work, and that was how I found out about him in the first place. And I'm so excited that his work is definitely improving and is getting to do more and more amazing jobs for other creatives in Nigeria. Chioma as well is wearing this all black outfit with a little touch of the asoke fabric that David has going on. She put that asoke along the waistline to the hip area of her dress. She also has a plain black gele as well as plain black ipele. Ipele is a Yoruba name for like a piece of fabric that you put over your shoulder, especially when wearing traditional Yoruba outfits. When you're wearing regal outfits for special occasion, if you see a Yoruba woman wearing gele, ipele, iro and buba, just know that she's celebrating something. Something important is happening. There's something being celebrated. I remember on my wedding, I had the full shebang. I wore my skirts, actually the skirt type of iro and buba and gele and ipele, because it's a wedding, right? Or it was a wedding at the time, and we were celebrating a union. So basically the look came together very nicely on Chioma, and you can tell that this is her embracing her new Yoruba family that she's about to enter into. She looks absolutely stunning. The fabric used on this outfit is looking like velvet and a mix of another fabric. The second fabric, because we have 2 different types of fabric going on, definitely I don't know what that second fabric is. I would need to touch it, but it looks like what does it look like? I really don't know, and I don't want to guess, so let me just move on. But this velvet fabric going on there, and along the edges of the velvet and the other fabric that was used, we have some simple beading done on there just to accentuate the beauty of this dress. And the beaded colors that were used were picked from the multicolored asoke fabric that was used for the sake of this outfit. We also have along the sleeve and the upper part of the outfit, we have chantilly lace going on there. Chantilly lace is also a very luxurious type of lace. I've talked about it in the past on the channel. And we also have a little bit of ostrich feather as well as coke dot feathers going on the outfit, and the outfit just looks absolutely phenomenal. The makeup as well looks extremely stunning. A very simple earring, and Chioma just looks very, very beautiful. Very minimal jewelry used on this outfit because the outfit is already saying a lot. She didn't need to do too much when it comes to the other accessories that she would wear for the sake of this video. And that's pretty much it for the 3 outfits that were worn by David and Chioma for the sake of their pre-wedding shoot. Their wedding is tomorrow, like I said. I wish them all the best. I pray that God blesses their union. It keeps them together for life. No evil will befall them. We hand over the entire occasion into God's hand, and I pray that God blesses their union abundantly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not a typical type of video that I do on here, but this is me just trying to do a different type of video on the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you also have your own thoughts about these 3 outfits worn by David and Chioma for their pre-wedding shoots, please don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's engage. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and yeah friends, I can't wait to see you in another amazing video very soon. Bye.